Something else, how this works with your weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at that as well. We have satellite and radar at this time. You've been able to see plenty of cloud coverage coming in, and here at the very end you see a bit of moisture coming through. Now, we haven't all seen showers, but there's been a few isolated spots of drizzle coming through, and that's what we've been seeing picking up on the radar itself. I'm going to zoom out a bit more so you can see the rest of the central Texas area. Cloud coverage pretty much from Del Rio to San Angelo and then out towards the east as well. You're going to run into that mugginess outside. Here's your coffee forecast for right now. 70 degrees. I might need an extra large to get the day started. I say that, but I don't drink coffee, so let's just pretend it's coffee for today. Ally Medical Emergency Room camera, not too much going on here in Bastrop itself. In fact, winds not picking up whatsoever. You can see the flag there not moving at all. And I think that's going to be pretty consistent for the day itself, looking like winds could be from 5 to 10 miles per hour. So mugginess is going to be more of the thing, not the wind speed. I think winds are going to cooperate with us for today. We are going to have a few isolated showers coming through, and it is going to be a much warmer day today with temperatures at around 78 degrees. In fact, this is one of the warmest that we're going to have over the next 7 days. I don't foresee any 80s out there. It looks like 78 would be the max, and that's pretty much it. Rain chances will continue, though, not only for today, but leading into tonight, into tomorrow, and pretty much all the way up until Wednesday when we have a front that's going to come in. If you've been tuning in over the past few days, we were talking about a front trying to come in on Monday itself. It was just too weak. It didn't have enough strength to actually make its way through. But we have stronger fronts that are on the way. So let's take a look over the next few days. Isolated showers continue. I'll stop it here at 9 a.m. on Monday. You see a few of them kind of bouncing through as the day goes on. I'll let it go to about 3 p.m. We'll see maybe a couple of breaks in the clouds, which is great news because a lot of us saw a little bit of sunshine yesterday morning, and then it was pretty much gone as more moisture started to flow right back in. As we get into Monday itself, there's a little bit of a wind shift here. I don't expect anything to really change with that. We get out towards Tuesday, same thing, a few isolated showers here and there, but the big change is going to be after the front comes in. That should arrive sometime on Wednesday, so your temperature's going to take a hit, and the rain chances will start to pick up as well. Here's a look at that front as it starts to descend. I stopped the clock here at 3 a.m. on Wednesday. You'll notice as we get to that front coming in, the lift, we start to see some of the showers as the front does push through. Wednesday going into Thursday. It looks like more Wednesday morning than anything else. So I'd say around 10 a.m., 11 a.m. is when we anticipate that next front to arrive and start to make those changes. 7-day forecast, 78, that's the warmest for today. 77 as we get into Tuesday. Wednesday, 72. The drop as we get into Thursday, 66 degrees. And by Friday, we're back up to 68. But we're looking at 30s and 40s on Thursday and Friday morning.